In today's show, you'll see how a new home with an outdated bath was transformed into a beautiful spa. We'll go through and look at all the planning, the steps that were taken, the individual items, and the total cost for this bathroom renovation. My good friend's daughter and her husband bought themselves a beautiful new home, and they absolutely loved everything about it except the master bathroom. Although it is very big, it sort of has an outdated look. The fixtures are very dated, the tub is an older jacuzzi, and the finishes are an outdated golden brass. It does, however, have this big, beautiful cathedral-like window. And they thought now is the perfect time to redo everything and create something that they would really love. So the lady of the house came to me with pictures and measurements of the existing bathroom, along with her ideas and cutouts of the things she did like and she wanted to see in her new bathroom space. She asked me if I could do a design of her ideas so that they could see what it would look like and they would have a plan for creating it. So I got to work on my computer rebuilding the room in 3D, adding all the finishes that she liked and decorating it. And this is an idea of what it would look like. The freestanding tub, the open shower flowing into the tub area, the vanity and bowl sinks, and what it would look like with the oil rubbed bronze or the gold fixtures, and what it would look like with different mirror, tub, and chandelier options. They really leaned towards the golden fixtures, but also wanted to add some bronze or black to mix and match a little. So now they have definite plans for what they're going to create for their master bath. And since they knew exactly what they wanted, they were able to pick out the wall tiles, the flooring, the countertops to complement everything and to match the vision. So they found a good contractor, ordered everything, and started the demolition of the bath, clearing out the outdated tub, the shower, the cabinets, the many mirrors that were everywhere, out with the old and ready for the new. For the shower, they went with this high gloss polish porcelain towel. They purchased this towel from Floor & Decor, and this towel has a really realistic marble look, plus is durable and long-lasting. For the shower floor, they went with this Calacatta Vecchia penny mosaic towel. And for the main floor, the Lenox white porcelain towel, all from Floor & Decor. The cabinets they got from BWC, they got custom slim oak shaker vanity cabinets with modern matte black hardware. The countertops are a Taj Mahal Quartzite, topped with a white vessel bowl sink with brushed gold stopper and a brushed gold single handle faucet. And the vanity mirrors are LED backlit with dimmer and anti-fog features. The tub is a freestanding pure white flat bottom 71 inch, and this was purchased from Home Depot. The tub faucet is a brushed gold floor tub spout with a detachable sprayer, and this is from Wayfair. Also from Wayfair is this all-in-one rain shower fixture. They also added a nice little shower nook and a small shower seat with gold trim. They also got a new single flush elongated toilet. Now let's take a look around and see how it all turned out. There's no chandelier over the shower yet, but I think it turned out really beautiful. It's nice and modern and open and spa-like. and I know the homeowners are really happy with it. Everything came together pretty fast and efficiently, and the whole project costs about $23,000. So if you have a few great ideas and with some planning, don't be afraid to put together the room of your dreams, and you can do it within your budget. Happy remodeling, and I'll see you in the next video. Want more detailed instructions on some of these projects? On my Etsy store, for just a few dollars, you can get instant digital downloads of full-color step-by-step instructions with templates for some of your favorite projects. And check out my Amazon page, where you can pick up my Book of Elegant Home Crafts, Volume 1, with all your favorite projects together in one big, beautiful, colored step-by-step instruction book. You can also get separate e-project booklets and full-color printed project booklets, all on my Amazon page. You'll also see all my favorite crafting tools and supplies seen on this show, and you can add them all to your cart for the one-click, fast, and easy shopping delivery convenience of Amazon. On social media, follow me at Your House of Home and Your House of Home TV. Like, share, subscribe, and your support is so appreciated.